What's up, everybody? DeAngelo again, and we out doing some retail arbitrage at Walmart yet again. This is a different one than yesterday though, but I wanted to make this quick video on commitment, right? Because it's raining outside, it's awful out there, traffic is bad, it's late, I'm tired, all this stuff. Whole bunch of reasons a whole bunch of excuses on why I couldn't go out there. Alright, now check this out, guys. I don't know how much it is, but this is going for $13 and it normally sells for $50, so definitely gonna come back and scan that. I haven't sold any helmets, but you best believe I'll get into it. But yeah, guys, you gotta have commitment. You're always gonna have a bunch of reasons on why you shouldn't do something, or why you can't go out and arbitrage, and why you can't do this, or why you can't, do this stuff. But you always have reasons on why you need to do it too, or why you should do it. Like, a lot of people look at having kids as a negative reason on why they can't do certain things. Like, it's always mind-blowing to me. Like, when people hit me up, I got kids, I can't do this because it requires a lot of time. I have kids. Bro, you have kids. That's the reason for you to make time, so they can have a better future and stuff, and they don't have to struggle and stuff like that. It's just, you can look at things as a reason not to do it, or you can look at, look at it as reasons why. That's another reason why you should do it, but to each their own, whatever. But, commitment, guys. Commitment is everything when it comes to this stuff. It's the commitment is everything. Take the Uber people, for example, right? You'll see a lot of the Uber people, they'll strike for a day, 12 hours, stuff like that, right? Why would you expect any change when you ain't doing nothing? You ain't putting in no work. 12 hours? Try 12 months, 6 months, at least a month. Do something. You're not committed at 12 hours. That's like, let's say you in my company, right, and you promoting Landshark Profits or Team DeAngelo or something like that, and you're like, look, DeAngelo, if you don't give me a higher pay, a higher commission, then I'm gonna go somewhere else. And you doing good numbers and stuff, right? And I know you only gonna not promote for one day. I ain't trying to hear what you say. All right, that's cool. I'll see you tomorrow. Cause I already know you ain't going nowhere. Know what I'm saying? Now, if I know you leaving, come on now, bro, we can talk. We can chill. And that's what CPA marketing, that's what Uber, that's what Lyft, that's what any company out there. If you doing numbers, you got power, And a lot of these people, like when it comes to Lyft and stuff, the drivers just don't realize how much power they have, though. Because a lot of people already downplay. Oh, damn, I need to go over here. A lot of people downplay them because they're drivers. And, when other people downplay it, they also downplay it. So they don't feel like, they should get paid as much because they're just a driver or something like that, And it doesn't matter what you're doing, supply and demand. There are people literally getting paid $10,000 a month to drive people around, to be a professional chauffeur and stuff like that. Cash. People look down on them and ain't even making a fraction of what they making, you gotta believe in yourself. And don't, again, I already made a whole video on not letting people downplay your success and stuff like that. But don't let people downplay it, guys, and be committed. You're gonna always have reasons on why you shouldn't, why you can't, or why you don't feel like it, or whatever the case may be. Like, I could be like, oh man, I don't feel like dealing with all these people in this store. I don't feel like waiting in these lines. I don't feel like looking at these products. I don't feel like scanning these products. I don't feel like doing this. I don't feel like doing that. I don't need to do any of this. I could just say all of that. I'm still out here doing it, And you guys can do the same thing, guys. You just got to put in that work. And again, anybody can do this stuff, guys, right? Anybody. Also, if you are a CPA member, like in any of these networks, what you need to do is, if you're hitting numbers, of course, because obviously it just doesn't work if you're not hitting numbers. But if you're hitting good numbers, let's say you're doing like 5 figures off a campaign or something like that, just hit them up and be like, hey, I need a 50-cent pay increase. I need a 5-cent pay increase. I need a 10-cent pay increase. Or you don't even need to message them at all, right? what you need to do, if you don't want to message, have direct conflict or whatever, because as soon as you start hitting numbers, you'll know you're doing good, because they'll message you and be like, hey, loving the traffic, keep the great weight, or something like that. Cut off the traffic and send it to a different network. Even if that network pays less, just trust me, just do it. And then they do it for a day. They'll be in your inbox quick. Hey, what's going on? Everything okay? Oh, well, yeah, I'm actually running on a different network now. They're gonna pay more. Oh, how much are they gonna pay? Got him. And that's all you gotta do to get more pay. You know what I'm saying? Because they know that you gonna go to who pay the most. Like your conversions is worth a lot. And again, a lot of people don't know that and stuff. They'll think, oh, well, I don't know because I'm not making that much money. You're making good money, guys. All right, if you're making good money, demand a higher price, demand higher pay for your conversions, or go somewhere else. It's that simple. And you got to be willing to walk away, though. This doesn't work if you aren't actually willing to walk away. Let's say you go to Max Bounty, you're like, hey man, I need at least a 10-cent pay increase, and they're like, no. And then you just keep sending traffic. Well, that would defeat the whole purpose. You ain't gonna never get nothing. They know your ass ain't serious. Now you cut off all traffic and don't send them nothing for days or ever again. It don't matter. They gonna hit you up. Like, hey, we noticed you stopped all the traffic. Yeah, I told you I need a pay increase, or I'm just gonna keep running over on this network over here. Boom. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Be committed. It is hard. You're always gonna have reasons not to do something. You're gonna have reasons not to go to the store. You're gonna have reasons not to scan. You're gonna have all these reasons why you shouldn't do something, but you also have reasons why you should do it. If you want to be successful, if you want to start making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, this is what you got to do. You got to go out there, scan. If you're a CPA marketer, you got to keep testing out new traffic sources, or stick to one traffic source and master that traffic source. Even when you're losing money, you got to wake up in the middle of the night, check your campaigns. You got to do all this stuff that, the average marketer isn't doing, if you want to have results that a lot of marketers don't have. But that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff.